Phenomenon of rise or fall of liquid column in capillary tube is called as capillary action. Consider capillary tube to be immersed in a liquid taken in a container which wets the wall of container. Let A, B be 2 points close to the surface inside capillary tube and C and D be outside the capillary tube. Pressure at A is greater than pressure at B. But pressure at B is same as pressure at D because they are in same horizontal plane at D. C and D are very close. So pressure of C and A, D and C is same. So A and C are in one plane, but A ka pressure more and C ka pressure less. That means it is in unequilibrium situation. So for equilibrium, it rises upward till the pressure at A becomes same as C. This is capillary action. Correct? Now done? Shall I start new topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Describe a method to determine height of liquid column in capillary tube. Right. The heading diagram I'm drawing, you draw, then I'm explaining you. Height H. Force due to surface tension has two components, F cos theta, F sin theta. This is also same theta. So F cos theta. This side will be F sin theta. Done, no? Now just see what it is. Liquid in capillary tube is stable at that height h. Correct, ना? मतलब एक कैपिलरी ट्यूब है, अगर this height of the liquid column is stable, means it is not falling, इधर आके रुक गया हो, that means this weight of the liquid which is acting downward is balanced by this upward force which is F cos theta acting along this periphery. Not followed? See, a force due to surface tension, उसका दो कंपोनेंट बनाया, F cos F sin, तो ऐसा हर जगह पे आएगा ना?
अच्छा,
तो ये वर्टिकल वाला वेट को बैलेंस करेगा, तभी ये हाइट एच पे रुका रहेगा ना, ये नहीं तो गिरेगा ना नीचे।
या
ओके, ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखो आप। फोर्स ड्यू टू सरफेस टेंशन इज बैलेंसिंग वेट ऑफ लिक्विड कॉलम। एकदम सिंपल डेरिवेशन है ये। कंसिडर अ लिक्विड which wets the wall of container. Consider liquid which wets the wall of container to be taken in a glass container. Let capillary tube of radius small r be dipped in the container. Be dipped in the container. Due to capillary action, let the liquid in capillary tube rises by height h. Please write this much. Yeah, done.
Yes.
Okay. Let F be force due to surface tension T. Let theta be angle of contact. The horizontal component of force cancels each other. Thus, weight of liquid column is balanced by vertical component. Vertical component. Therefore, weight equals to F cos theta into length. Mg equals to P. Force due to surface tension will be T equals to FL. The force is the surface tension. Hello? What is surface tension? Force upon length contact. So force is T into length, no?
Yeah.
So T cos theta and length is nothing but 2 pi r, that is circumference.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy this much, then I am simplifying.
Done, sir.
Okay. M means mass. Can I say it is density into volume? Can I say density into volume into G? Volume is area of base into height. Yes, correct.
Yes.
What is area
Yes.
of base? Pi r square.
Pi square into h.
हो गया अपना काम तमाम अभी. So therefore height will be equals to 2t cos theta pi r upon rho pi r square hg. Pi pi cancel, r cancel. Huh. So we get h equal to 2t cos theta upon r rho g. This is formula for rise of liquid column in capillary tube. Copy till end. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Effect of impurities on surface tension. First one. See, few impurities are soluble and few impurities are not soluble. Salt is soluble.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you ever purchased colored cotton cloth? Colored cotton cloth.
Yeah.
If you go to the tailor, he will say, "पानी में भिगाया था क्या इसको?" Because by chance he stitches as per your size and you have not soaked it in the water, chances are that it will shrink, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So he says, पानी में भिगा के लाया? नहीं तो I will do it and then I will take the measurement again. If it is colored, तो बोलेगा salt का पानी में भिगाया था, नमक का पानी में. So नमक के पानी में भिगाने से क्या होएगा? That color will not come out from the cloth. It will get clinged to this. That means that salt water will pull the color pigment or it will remove the color pigment.
Full.
Pull. Pulling means surface tension बढ़ाया क्या कम किया?
बढ़ाया.
Yes, it has increased. So just write first point. When a soluble substance such as salt is dissolved in water, then surface tension increases of water increases. When the soluble substance such as salt is dissolved in water, then surface tension of water increases. Have you heard about choline? Anybody has heard this choline? There is one spray, choline spray.
Yes.
क्या
Yes,
क्लीन
sir.
करते हैं इससे? सुबह सुबह लेट हो गया तो दांत पे स्प्रे मार के दांत क्लीन करके आ जाते हैं क्या?
No.
No. So what we clean with this?
Glass surface.
Glass surface, fridge ka surface. That means when you spray that with choline, when you spray on the surface, then it is removing the dust, na?
Yeah.
If it is removing the dust, means surface tension between dust and the surface, it is reducing or increasing?
Reducing.
Now this spray, when you put in water, then you will find it is floating on the surface, na? Phenol you might be knowing. This phenol sometimes we mix with the liquid to clean the surface. So it gets completely dissolved or partially dissolved?
Partially.
Partially. So completely dissolved वाला surface tension बढ़ाएगा, partially कम करेगा, and this property is used to clean the surface. So detergent, what it might be doing to our body? Increasing the surface tension between our body and dust or reducing?
Reducing.
Yes. So whenever you become a soap manufacturer, then you have to add some solution in that soap in such a way that it will reduce the surface tension. Then only the person will get cleaned up fast and there will be cleansing action. So second point I can say, when partially soluble, not completely, partially soluble substance such as phenol or detergent is mixed with water, then surface tension of water is decreased. Then surface tension of water is decreased. Can I clear second one? So first we did soluble, then partially soluble. Now completely insoluble. We'll see what will happen. Completed? Yes, completed.
Yes, sir, done.
तो नमक का पानी क्या करेगा? It will increase surface tension. Phenol decreases surface tension. One more. When insoluble impurity is added into water, insoluble is added in water, then surface tension of water decreases, as we saw in phenol, decreases. When impurity gets added, ऐसा क्यों होता है, that we are writing, when impurity gets added to any liquid, the cohesive force will increase or decrease. Cohesive force is between similar molecules. Now similar molecule gets separated, so cohesive force of liquid decreases. If cohesive force increases, it affects the angle of contact.
Yes, sir. On it.
Yes, affects the angle of contact. Thus, if mercury gathers dust its surface tension is reduced. If surface tension is reduced, that spherical droplet will not be formed. Hence, it does not form spherical droplets. So if I want to have shape of the liquid drop as spherical, then it should be dust free. Hence, it does not form spherical droplets. Copy third one. Return.
Done. Sir.
Okay. Next is effect of temperature. Anybody drinks lukewarm water early morning?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many glass? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 glass of lukewarm water with lemon and some honey.
Yep.
So when you put this, you take lukewarm water, what it might be helping you to? It makes our motion clear. That means all the fat particles which are cling to our lining of intestine will get fluxed out. That means will be prevented from being obese. So that toxins will get removed. So can I say garam pani पीने से surface tension अंदर कम हो जाता रहेगा? Correct ना? Hello? Surface tension might be decreasing, therefore that dirt is getting released, toxins. If you boil the water, what will happen? Will this vapor move in downward or it will come up? अब
Upward.
मतलब ये सरफेस ने इसको छोड़ दिया ना, कभी छोड़ेगा
Yeah.
जब ये सरफेस टेंशन जीरो हो गया ना,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
मतलब बॉइलिंग में सरफेस टेंशन जीरो हो जाता है, एंड अदर टाइम पे इट इज रिड्यूस्ड. सो आई गॉट वन लॉजिक, व्हेन
What's your
टेम्परेचर
question?
increases, surface tension will decrease, है ना?
Yes, sir.
When temperature is increased, write down, then surface tension decreases. Then surface tension decreases. At boiling, it is zero. The relation between surface tension at 0 degrees Celsius and theta degrees Celsius is given by T equals to T0 1 minus alpha theta. Alpha is a constant which will depend upon that liquid, given by T equals to T naught. T naught means surface tension at 0, T means at theta. So T naught in bracket 1 minus theta alpha theta.
So,
Huh?
so can we compare temperature with kinetic energy of the molecules?
That we'll see in chapter called kinetic theory of gas. That relation
like-
we'll see in kinetic theory of gas.
Can we compare the kinetic energy with the surface tension?
Pardon?
Can we compare kinetic energy with the surface tension as temperature is in the?
Kinetic energy will increase, na? Its surface tension is decreased.
Yeah. Okay.
Because it is free to move, no?
Yeah.
बना दिया 10 बना दिया Return.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just open that surface tension ka sheet. 1 to 10. I am just checking whether there is any doubt with you all. Answers दिया नहीं इसका नीचे. I will send today the answers. So first one. Anybody has tried?
No,
Is
sir.
the answer C? Did you get the answer C?
But A.
A you got. A is
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
No, A is wrong. I'm just explaining you how. A is wrong, huh? 1 minute. First answer is C. You got A. Mistake. I'm just explaining. Surface tension of soap bubble. Underline. Oh, you can't underline. Bubble of radius 0.02 meter is increased to 0.04 meter if surface tension is 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton meter. What will be the work done? Work done is T into change in area. What mistake you did was You did, this is 4 pi r2 square minus 4 pi r1 square. This was perfectly right. But because it is bubble, you have to multiply by 2. Clear? Hello?
I got, sir.
Yes,
Got.
sir.
Now you'll get exactly double, na? 4.22
Yeah,
double.
yeah, sir.
So that is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you see bubble, change is twice from top as well as from inside. So I'm not solving this further. I think you got the idea.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second one, same mistake. Soap bubble.
Option C.
So it will be C.
Option C.
Because 4 pi r square ka double. Third. 20 we have to discuss na today.
Yeah.
As per that planner. Third wala.
C.
Temperature rises, then surface tension decreases. Just now we did that theory.
Decreases.
Surface tension will decrease. तीनों का CCC आ गया. Fourth one. See, anybody is having time but
Or
no
unit
work.
area.
Fourth. Surface energy of tension. Surface tension of liquid is equals to surface energy per unit area. This also we have derived.
Option C.
C.
Option C है. Surface energy, हाँ, C, sorry, C. Surface energy per unit area, C. Fifth. Surface tension in a liquid is due to cohesive force. Correct, na?
Yes.
Surface tension is due to cohesive force. Sixth. Detergent in hot water enables the grease to be removed. Grease is a dirt which is mostly on shutters they put. So to remove this dirt, angle of contact should be increased or decreased. See, if angle of contact is acute, then it wets the wall of container.
Partially.
Partially, but wets, no? Obtuse may what? Does not wets. So does not wets means does not touch. So can I say it might be increasing angle of contact from acute to obtuse?
So what about option D?
Option D is increases the temperature, na?
Surface tension decreases for detergent. Right?
No, but detergent in hot water. Already it is hot water. उसका अंदर detergent डाला तो क्या होएगा बोला ना?
Yeah, okay.
So it will make that angle of contact between grease and the dish to change from acute to obtuse. इधर है वो. Changing the angle of contact to obtuse. Option B. Seventh, बहुत easy है. What the answer? What the answer?
C.
10 raised to 5 dyne upon 10 raised to 2 centimeter.
10 raised to 3 B.
10 raised to 3. B. B. Oil spread over the surface of water. Oil spreads over the surface of water because spread matlab somebody has pulled, na? Otherwise it will leave, it will not spread. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say surface tension of water is greater than oil? That's why oil is
Yeah.
getting spread. Matlab B option, na? Oil is smaller. Surface tension of oil is smaller than that of water.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ninth one. A wood stick 2 meter long is floating on the surface of water having surface tension of 0.07. मतलब एक इधर force will act due to surface tension And here also it will act na, on the other side. So can I say force acting will be length tension into 2 times length in contact? Hello? Can I say like this? Yes, can I say like this?
Yes. Yes.
Now, by putting soap solution on one side, the surface tension reduces to 0.06 by putting on one side. Surface tension कम हो गया. So if I see clearly, first force was T1L plus T1L दो बार. New force will be T1L as it is minus of T2L क्योंकि कम हो गया ना वो. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that means our T1L minus T2L it becomes 1 plus 2 minus 1. So net force will be T1L minus T2L L into T1 minus T2. L is 2 meter, T1 0.07 minus 0.06. So it is 2 into 0.01, 0.02 Newton meter. Tenth one,
Option B.
option
B.
glass rod is dipped in mercury, then cohesive
B.
force will become, mercury does not stick because cohesive force is less than adhesive force.
No, greater than.
Mercury is not sticking, that means cohesive force is
Force should be greater.
greater. B option. 11th one, small drop of liquids are generally more spherical. Spherical के लिए क्या चाहिए? Surface tension ज्यादा चाहिए ना, because वो अंदर खींचेगा ना.
Yeah.
Yes.
So surface tension is predominant than gravitational. So force of surface tension predominates force of gravity. Option C. What about 12th one? Well, net force acting on the molecule of liquid is maximum on the molecule, which is where net force acting is maximum. Yes. Where the net force is maximum.
On the liquid surface.
On the liquid surface.
On the liquid surface. Yes, we have done this. 13th. Can you try 13th? Work done in increasing radius from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter is 3000 erg. The surface tension of soap solution is about how much? Work done is T into, for bubble, twice of 4 pi R2 square minus 4 pi R1 square. No need to convert unit because all are in CGS. So 3000 is 2 into 4 pi 2 square minus 1 square. 3000 equals to T into 8 pi 4 minus 1. So T will be 3000 upon 8 pi into 3. T equals to. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 3000 8 into 3.14 into 3. Can I take this approximately as 10? Can we take
Yes.
3.14 into 3 approximately 10?
Yes, sir.
So this will become 8 4s are 32. So approximately 40. This answer. They are telling about how much. So approximately 40. $14. Can I clear 13?
Yes.
14th one. Liquid surface inside the tube is concave. Liquid surface inside the tube is concave. Concave. Then the force due to surface tension will have tendency to make it what? What it will have tendency? Force due to surface tension. Always try to make it
Upward.
flat, na?
Correct.
That means try to make it plane. B. $15. If n drops of liquid, each with energy E, combines to form single drop, then what? Then we know change in energy. N droplets becomes drop. So surface area is decreased. That means energy is released. Energy come ho gaya, so energy is released. Surface area come, energy come, that means energy is released. So our option will come, energy is released wala. Kitna released? T into 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. T into area is called energy. So this is E into n minus n raised to 2 by 3.
And D.
Option D. So remember why I told energy is released. Surface area कम, energy कम. कम मतलब release हो गया. ज्यादा मतलब absorb किया. 16th. If a million tiny droplet, million means 10 raised to, million means what? 10 raised to 5 or 6?
6.
6.
6.
10 raised to 6. Million मतलब 10 lakh ना?
Yes.
So 10 raised to 6. Collapse to form one large drop. Then ratio of surface energy of larger one to the total surface energy of all the droplet, all smaller. So total energy means 10 raised to 6. एक का energy is surface tension into its area. Here, surface tension into total area 4 pi r square. So T and 4 pi, so we can eliminate. Now I have to get the relation between r and small r. 10 raised to 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is becoming 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Taking square root. 10 raised to 2 r cube root. 10 raised to 2 r is capital R. So U large upon all total of smaller is r square will become 10 raised to 4 small r square upon 10 raised to 6 r square. That means 1 upon 10 raised to 2. 1 upon 10 raised to 2 है किधर? B है शायद ना? B दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same answer you had got earlier?
Yes.
Okay. Done 16th. Be quick. Completed 16th.
Yes, sir.
17th. T1 be the surface tension between this already we did. Is it T1
Yes.
minus T2 upon TD option?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
18th. Work done in splitting a droplet of radius 1 millimeter into 10 raised to 6 droplets. A drop, bada drop, 1 millimeter to 10 raised to 6 identical droplet is how much? If surface tension is 72 into 10 raised to minus 3, what is work done? Work done is P into 4 pi capital R square n raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So 72 into 10 raised to minus 3, 4 pi 10 raised to minus 3 square and 10 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. 4 into 2 is 8, 4 7s are 28. 288 pi into 10 raised to minus 3, this will be minus 6, minus 9 into 10 raised to 2 minus 1. So that means 288 pi into 10 raised to minus 10. This is approximately 100. 288 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. That is same as 2.88 pi into 10 raised to minus 5. Minus 5. 3 2s are 6. So if I take approximately this as 3, 3 8s are 24. 24 and 2, 26, 8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So option B? Yes, option B?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, tell. Completed 18?
Done, sir.
19th. Tell the answer. This also we have done.
Option A.
The angle of contact will increase. Yes. 20th. This I want you should try. Try fast. Surface area of soap bubble is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Work done to double the surface area. So this is A1, A2 is double the area. Work done is T into change in area. For bubble it is twice of A2 minus A1. So it will be twice of 2A minus 1A. That means T into twice of A. Three into 10 raised to minus 3 into 2, 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. 7.8 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule, option B. Done?
Yes.
Now if you see carefully, Thursday's homework is 20 to 40.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow please complete it, because 10 to 11 then that doubt I will clear. And Friday, I don't think there will be any doubt left out. So Friday I will start with the remaining part, pressure wala thoda. And if that get over, then our remaining sum of the sheet. So as per our commitment, we are completing everything as per the planner. So by this Sunday, this chapter should get over. Coming week, I will start with new chapter, wave optics. Jasmita, now first and second both are done for you.
Yes, sir.
Wave optics exam is did that declare or not yet?
Not yet, sir.
So by that time, I will complete even that. So nobody is having tension even for their college exam. So that's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow as per our extra schedule. That is 10 to 11.